Welcome to WizzWatch. My name is Marlin, your host and technical trader, and today I would like to talk to you about Revenge Design. That symbol is RVGD. That's Romeo, Victor, Golf, Delta. And also, please pay attention to the chart. I would like to show you that back in January, the stock came from around the 0.01 area right here, but it ran all the way up to 0.016. And after that big price move, right at the top of his range, it formed a shooting star candlestick, and that does represent a reversal in the price pattern after a big move. And the stock did move to the downside, but as of Friday, May 30th, yesterday, the stock ended the day at 0006, and it ended the day with a doji. And that doji does represent indecision in the price pattern. So on Monday, June 2nd, the stock could open on the downside or open on the upside. And what I'm looking for is an upside opening at around 0.007. That's 0007. And if the stock closes higher on Monday at the end of the day, that would represent a bullish sign in the stock price because that would close with a Morningstar price pattern, Morningstar candlestick price pattern, and that would be a very bullish sign that the stock will run higher. So please pay attention to the moving averages as well. We have the 200-day moving average right here at 0045 to 0.045, and also we have the 50-day moving average right here at 0013, that's 0.013. And like I mentioned, I have my pivot point as well set right above that opening price at the 0007, like I mentioned, but my pivot point is set right here at 0075 to 0008, and a move right above this wedge right here that was formed would represent a bullish indication that the stock will run higher. So please keep this stock on your radar and watch Revenge Designs on Monday, June 2nd, for a move to the upside. Here we have the MAC divergence. That's the MACD. It is on the downside, but needs to move above this zero line area right here. The relative strength needs to cross this 50 area right here. And also we have the on balance volume indicator, which is on the downside. But I drew this trend line right here for you to notice that it needs to move above this trend line in order for the stock to move much higher. But also we have the money flow indicator. The money flow indicator is still on the upside, and also as of yesterday, the stock did close with heavy volume on the downside. But that needs to change. We need to have heavy volume above the average daily at about 27 million on the upside, and that would be a good sign for the stock to move higher. Thank you very much for listening. Have a great day and happy trading.
This has been another WizzWatch presentation. These stocks are not buy recommendations. Please do your own due diligence or get help from a professional before trading.